Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be explaining to you guys how you can add a link to any one of your TikTok shop items or any other items you might want to your TikTok videos or your TikTok posts. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, TikTok shop is something that you are gonna have to have set up for this if you want to add links from TikTok shop. I have a lot of videos I've already done on this topic, how to set up TikTok shop and so on and so forth. So make sure to check out the channel to figure that out if you haven't done that already. If you already have, let's get right into it without further ado. First and foremost, to actually add a link to your videos, you want to of course create a video and enter the posting or creation phase in TikTok. You just do that like you would do on pretty much any social media. Just click the plus and you'll be able to add a post. Select the video that you want, go through all the process, edit it however you want, add filters, add sounds, whatever. Once you're done with that, once you're finished with the editing and whatever you want to call that part of the process, the beginning part of the process, you will be brought to the post module where you will be able to set up several information such as location and things like that. And once you're in the post module, you just want to go to the add link section and just select products. And then from the showcase module, you want to go and select the product you want to feature, enter a product frame and then click add, and then repeat the process for however many product links you want to add. Once you're finished, just click post and your video will be posted, and that is how you add a link to your TikTok videos. However, if you want to add a video to your product in TikTok shop, that is a similar process when you're adding your products in the seller center. You will have the option to upload a video of your choice where you showcase your product, and that's pretty much self-explanatory. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will be seeing you guys in another video.